On Wednesday, 20th November 2024, Edo State House of Assembly don confirm Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor as Finance Commissioner after Governor Monday Okpebholo nominate am. Dem confirm Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor as Finance Commissioner after the House Committee on Rules and Business present report wey dem take screen the nominee well.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, we all recall that yesterday, the 19th day of November 2024, the letter from the Governor seeking confirmation of the House of Mr. Monday, the confirmation of the House of Mr. Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor as Commissioner for Finance was read and it was referred to the Committee on Rules, Business and Government House. Mr. Speaker, as expeditiously as the tenor of the letter pretends, the committee switched to action and Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor was vigorously screened and he was found worthy of the position so nominated. The committee, therefore, came up with a report which has been signed by members of the committee and it is available for presentation with the permission of the Secretary.
Where the report of the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House on the screening of Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor as Commissioner nominee for Finance in Edo State. The committee recommended the committee had one findings and 5 findings and 1 recommendation. For agreement that this position should be part of this house, we say aye. Those against say ayes have it. These members, the report has been looked into, and I want to seek your permission to ask if the Commissioner nominee is within the premises of this House chambers. So you can give me permission to usher in. If you want us to usher in, please say aye. Those against say aye. That's all.
The members wey dey represent Wonder and Eastern Central respectively come move the motion and second am say make the House approve make Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor take him bow.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished honorable members, you all agree with me that Mr. Speaker is the one in charge of the activities of this chamber, and before us today is the Commissioner designate. And before he ran through his curriculum vitae, Mr. Speaker made an appeal to us that because of the exigency of this matter, that he will want the commissioner nominee to introduce himself and take a bow. On that note, Mr. Speaker, distinguished honorable colleagues, I want to move a motion that the commissioner nominee, having introduce himself and run through his resume, should please take a bow and go. I so move. Thank you,
Mr. Speaker, first and foremost, I have to thank His Excellency for his choice for Emmanuel Okoebor as the Commissioner of Finance. I was telling you, Mr. Speaker, that we are blessed to have the man as the Commissioner nominee of Finance. Having worked as a regional manager of a bank, know that we have a robust experience. For some of us have the privilege to work in the banking industry, we know what it is for somebody to rise to the position of a regional manager. Regional manager position is not by politics. It's by merit, hard work, and dedication. If you look at the CV of Mr. Emmanuel Okoebor, you see that his banking experience, he had been consistent from one bank. Rising to that position was not a banking a position that, can you give us 10 billion, we give you general money. Can you give us 20 billion, we give you DGS, or whatever it is. You can see that a man has been consistent from 1999 with UBA tickets, meaning his position, his movement from grade to grade was well merited. Mr. Speaker, I must tell you that a man coming on board as Commissioner of Finance in Edo State, Edo State is going to witness a robust financial competency in terms of resources allocation. A man will be there also to advise the executive where the priority of allocation of resources. Mr. Speaker, like what my brother from there has moved, I want to extend the same act of fellowship which was extended to my brother from Isako, as well as Mumbai. I hear as a call now, Mr. Speaker, that we should tell our Mr. Iman to take him back.
Have one look at the CV of my friend, brother, Emmanuel Okoebor. His CV has moved for itself. So, on that note of agreements, and because of the urgency of this position was to back, that should take it back and go. Please say aye. Those people say aye.
The House-Com also received 2 more letters from Governor Monday Okpebholo, one for the confirmation of CP Friday Ibadin retired as Edo State Security Corps Commander, and the second one for the confirmation of 3 new members for the State Universal Basic Education Board (SUBEB), where they chaired by Dr. Paddy Iyamu. The House-Com sent the matter to the House Committee on Rules and Business to look into it.
Ibadin retired as Corps Commander at Edo State Service Corps, having found attached 30 copies of each of the nominees for the role of the term. I am to request that the above nominee be expeditiously screened and confirmed. Please accept the assurances of the warm regard of the office. Now, Musa Kilo, Esquire, Secretary to the State.
Correspondence from the Governor read by the clerk. Request for the confirmation of Commander Edo Security Corps. Governor sent in his request for us to confirm the Corps Commander of Edo State Security Corps. 2 members we hereby refer this request to the Committee on Rules and Business. 1 week, report back to the House.
President Assembly, dated on the 19th November 2024. Request for the confirmation of membership of the Edo State Universal Basic Education Board there. I write an instance of His Excellency the Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, to forward for consideration and confirmation that in the House of Assembly, the underlisted name as chairman and members of the Edo State Universal Basic Education Board. They are 1, Dr. Paddy Iyamu, chairman; 2, Honorable Christopher Abuya, member, Edo Central; 3, it is Abu Aminu, member, Edo North; 4, Honorable Mrs. Angela Ekiwa Okwami, member, Edo South. While looking forward to the expeditious confirmation of information needs, please accept the assurances of the warm regard of Mr. Sam Musa Ikilo, Esquire, Secretary of the State.
Thank you very much. Last on Monday, the name of Iyamu was sent to the Senate House. Because the board was supposed to be the four board as 4 members in that board. So I think the 3 other names have been added to the chairman's name as Iyamu. It was also clear that today is not around now. I think what we do, since they added the other 3 names to the chairman of the Senate before, we still refer it to the rules of business for them to look at it politically, so that by Monday we can do the list. So it's hereby refer to House Committee on Rules and Business. Please report to 1 week.
Una go remember say the House don confirm 2 other commissioners already, wey be Dr. Samson Osaige as Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General and Dr. Siri Adams Oshomole as Commissioner for Health. With the confirmation of Engineer Emmanuel Okoebor as Finance Commissioner, the number of commissioners for the State Executive Council don increase to 3. The House come adjourn sittings go Monday 25th November 2024 by 10 o'clock in the morning for the next plenary. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.